just felt like moonlit leaves, caught between the wires and screen, where nothing's ever as it seems. Fleeting moments slip right through, chasing silhouettes of you.